Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, April 1st, 2024, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You know, if you've been watching these videos, you know we've had a terrible 2 weeks. 9 days total, and it seemed like we lost money every single one of those days. It's just day after day after day we're losing money. But I often tell my customers when this happens that it's going to turn around. You got to have patience, and when it turns around, it often is at the most surprising time you could imagine. Well, today we had the turnaround, and it happened on a day you would have least expected it. You can see that the Dow took a hit today, opened and just went straight down and never came back, and the Dow officially closed down 241 points. That's not a day you would expect to get a turnaround. And on top of that, it was April Fool's Day, and I wouldn't expect a turnaround to happen on April Fool's Day. But anyway, all that happened today, and we ended up closing out $32,000 in profits on 14 positions earlier this morning, and then we're carrying positive $2,000 on 6 positions going into tomorrow. Excuse me. I'm going to show you the 2 best trades we had, and this first one is SMXT, which is SolarMax Technology, and we first bought this back on Thursday, right at the beginning of the day, and it closed positively in our favor on Thursday, and then it gapped up this morning some more, and we got out right there with positive $10,000, and then we got re-entered up here, and the re-entry didn't make a huge amount of money, but we still closed with positive $1,000 in open trade on that. So SolarMax Technology at least made us $11,000 and maybe more tomorrow, depending how it goes tomorrow on the open. But believe it or not, even with $11,000, that was our smallest of our best trades. And I'll show you the best one. And this is CXAI, which is CX App Incorporated. And this did a huge gap up this morning. And we buy gaps. That always scares people. And sometimes it goes bad, but it went really well today. This thing kept going. And even though it may not look like a whole lot on the chart, it actually made a 40% gain from where we got in. And when that happens, we get out of it, even though it's a day trade. Normally we don't day trade, but we day trade CXAI today, and we took out $34,000 in this. This stock went up 153% today. So we had a fabulous day trade, and so we like $44,000 today or something like that. Just great. And so I'm counting that as a turnaround. Just today's profits offset all our bad trades from last week. We get one more of these days and we'll have wiped out all our losses for more than wiped out all of our losses for 2 weeks. So that's the way trading goes. The turnaround comes quickly, and it comes when you least expect it. We'll see it tomorrow on Tuesday.